All right, court's on the record for February 10th, 2021 for the afternoon session. If you're on Zoom, please leave your devices on mute. I will tell you when to unmute when I call your case. We're going to go ahead and we begin with Mr. Demecki. If you would come to station number 1, please. Okay. All right, back on December 16th of 2020, I entered a default against you when you failed to appear. Give me a second while I read your request to set aside the default. All right, I understand why you failed to appear on December 6th. Did you receive the plea by mail, or are you an over-the-road truck driver? Yeah, okay, I understand why you missed on December 16th. What I don't understand is why you didn't send back the plea by mail prior to your court date, and why here you are on February 10th, 2 months after the default, coming in. All right, what I'm going to do then is I'll grant your request to set aside the default. I'll make you pay the clearance fee of $30. I'll send you to the prosecutor and see if he wants to still give you the opportunity to plead guilty to the reduced charge or not. So just go ahead and have a seat, and he'll call you in just a minute. Have you come up with a way for us to do the interpreter, or should I just have Miguel up here? Okay. Miss Felix did, I thought. Well, let me find out. Rita Felix, could you go ahead and unmute your device? Rita Felix? Is Rita Felix on the phone? Senora Felix? I'm assuming it's phone number 358.
There. Okay, now can you hear me, sir? This is Rita Felix.
Yes, I can. Do you need an interpreter?
No, I do not. I was born in Denver, Colorado. Born and raised here.
Okay, that's fine. All right, I have a document that alleges that on January 3rd of 2021, shortly before 5 o'clock in the evening, in the area of 5795 East 63rd Place here in Commerce City, it's alleged that you engaged in disorderly conduct. Do you understand what you're accused of doing?
Yes, sir.
All right, the city attorney says that he reviewed the elements of the charge with you. In other words, he explained what he would have to prove in order for you to be found guilty of this offense. Did he review those elements with you?
Yes, he did.
Okay. He also says that you and he have worked out an agreement that we're going to set this for a new court date between now and then if you complete a one-day class called Making Better Choices, have no contact with Teresa Asensio or Julissa Zazueta, and commit no new law violations on your next court date. If everything is in order, I can dismiss this case. Is this how you wish to resolve it?
I understand, yes.
Okay. Did you watch the advisement of rights video?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. Hold on for just a second while I fill out some paperwork.
Okay, I can do that.
Are you currently a member of or a veteran of the United States Armed Forces?
No, I'm not.
Okay, good. Hold on.
I wish I would have went. I couldn't because of my hearing.
I need to copy the names first.
I have tried it.
Okay. When you leave the meeting, my clerks are going to contact you by email either today, tomorrow, certainly by Friday. They'll give you the new court date. That's your deadline for getting the class done. They'll give you a referral to the class. You need to contact them right away, get the class done, and make sure you get the certificate of completion to us on or before your next court date. That's your responsibility. You're to have no contact with Ms. Arsenio or Ms. Zazueta, and you're to commit no new law violations. If everything is in order on your next date, I'll dismiss the case. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
Okay, then my clerks will get with you in the next couple of days. You are free to leave the meeting now. Okay?
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you.
All right, is Jerry Killing on the line?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay. I have a request. I'll accept your email explanation rather than having you fill out the form. But to be candid with you, I don't have jurisdiction to reopen this case. The default entered back on September 18th of 2019. And if you erroneously relied on your company owner telling you he would handle it, that's on you. That's not on the court. It says here that there's video evidence along with two eyewitnesses. Is the video evidence and the eyewitnesses to what your boss said?
No, that's to what I said.
Yeah, maybe I'm not understanding you. It says here, I didn't do it. There's video evidence along with two eyewitnesses stating I didn't, and then it stops. The email stops there.
Yes, I didn't.
You didn't what?
What I'm accused of being is reckless driving. It's supposed to have been an accident.
Yes,
I
it's
sup-
careless driving with an accident. Oh, so you're
okay.
saying there's video evidence and eyewitnesses to you not engaging in careless driving?
Yes.
Yeah, unfortunately, that's not the issue that's in front of me. The issue that's in front of me is why you failed to appear back on September 18th of 2019.
Oh, I never got a court date.
Well, we sent a court date.
Where did you send it to?
370 Sydney Street Southeast, Atlanta, Georgia, 30312.
Yes, that address is incorrect.
Well, that's the address you provided to the law enforcement officer.
No, it must have been still on my license.
That's the address we rely on, the address that's on your license. If you move, you're supposed to notify your local Department of Motor Vehicles to update your address. You're also instructed that if you don't receive something by mail, you're supposed to call. It's on the blue ticket copy that you got from the police officer.
I didn't receive anything. However, like I stated, I was told not to worry about anything. I shouldn't have any prior future court dates or anything going on because I didn't do it.
Okay. Well, according to this, you signed for your copy of the ticket. I'm looking at your signature on the bottom of the original here. And my police officers wouldn't tell you that you don't have to do anything if they're giving you a ticket. The only issue I had was that you're saying that your company owner told you not to worry about it. He has it handled. Well, if you didn't get a ticket, there wouldn't be anything for your boss to handle either. Isn't that right?
That's correct.
Well, unfortunately, he didn't handle it for you. You might want to go back to that boss and have him clear all of this up and pay everything for you.
I didn't even plead or anything.
No,
So
it's a default. When you failed to appear, I entered a default against you on September 18th of 2019. I imposed a fine of $120 plus surcharges plus court costs, and then there's a fee that gets charged when a block gets placed against your driving privilege. In order for you to clear this up, you're going to have to pay all of that. My suggestion is if the boss told you he would take care of it and he didn't, you might want to let him know that he owes you that money back.
how do I go about getting this dismissed?
I'm sorry, how do you go about doing what?
Getting this dismissed.
You don't. It's not going to be dismissed. I'm the guy that makes that decision, and you've waited too long. Dismissal isn't an option here.
Okay, what's another option?
Well, pay it all in full or continue to have your privilege to drive blocked.
Is there any other options?
No, sir.
So I'm not able to submit my video evidence or my witnesses.
Nope.
My case.
That opportunity has been gone for more than a year now.
Um, Is there somebody else I can speak with?
No, you're kind of talking to the guy that's at the top of the heap.
I'm sure you have a boss.
The city council.
Is he available?
No, it's not a he.
She available?
It's not a she. It's a they. The city council. You
Oh,
know, like
that.
in Atlanta, you have a mayor. Okay, it would be the mayor's boss.
Okay. How do I go about reaching them?
Well, you can write a letter to the city council. If you hold on, if you have pen and paper handy, I can give you their mailing address.
Don't you got a phone number?
No, it's not a he. There's not a person you can call by phone. I'm the judge, the presiding
No,
judge of this court.
sir. I was asking you. Sir. Do you have a phone number for them?
No, they don't have a phone number. It's a city council. It's 9 citizens who meet every Monday to decide the policies of the city. Those are the only people that are over me in the court system. So there isn't a person you can call and talk to.
So I just send them a message saying I need my case dismissed. What? Like,
You can ask them, and they're going to ask me why, and I'm going to say, your case is entered as a default. They don't have any real jurisdiction to reopen a case that's in front of me. But if you want to write them and ask them a question about it, feel free. I'm literally the top guy here. And I'm telling you, you cannot reopen your case.
all right, Judge, it's something that could be done because this I cannot go. I can't. No,
There isn't anything else to be done now. You're too late.
this not gonna work.
Well, again, until you get this all paid off, there's going to be a block against your privilege to drive. Do you want the address to where to mail the city council a letter?
Sure, why not?
Sure. The address is 7887 East 60th Avenue. It's Commerce City, Colorado. The zip code is 80022.
I got it.
Okay? And if you send an email to us, we can forward it to the city council. I see that you've been using an email.
Well, I sent it to the same email.
Yep.
I mean that email, I don't get no response. Yeah, I got a better email.
You should have been given, which one was he given? Court 3? Yeah, either Court 3 or directly to Ms. Escobedo, whose email address you have. Either one. You can send it to Court3 at c3gov.com or directly to Escobedo at c3gov.com.
All right.
And my clerks will send you an email that you can reply to. Their email is going to tell you exactly how much has to be paid to remove the block against your driving privilege. Okay?
I got you.
All right. Do you have any other questions?
That'll do it.
All right. Then you are free to leave the meeting. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, Mr. Demick, if you would come back to station one. Did you watch the advisement of rights video? Uh, yeah, I don't have the full advisement here. I need you to watch the advisement of rights video. I need you to watch the video that it fully advises you of your rights. This isn't the full advisement of rights. No, it's not okay. I'm ordering you to watch the advisement of rights video, okay? So, do you have a device on you? Okay, you don't need Wi-Fi. My clerk will help you either set it up on your device or we'll put you in the lobby to watch. Okay, then I'll need you to go to the lobby and watch the advisement of rights video, and when you're done, come back in.